Alright, okay, let's look at this question. Two dice are tossed, right? Find the probability. So at first we have to know the sample or the possibility space, right? Or the sample space. So with all the sample point, right? All the outcomes, always said. So then we have two dice are tossed. So before that, before we answer the question, we know that the two dice are tossed. So then we have to list out all the sample space here, right? Sorry, the sample space we have to write out. So you know that usually I will using an axis to represent. So where I can list out 1 and 1. Maybe the first dice you're getting a score of 1, the second dice you get a score of 2. Right? Okay, list out, right? Just list out. It will be very helpful if you list out. So 1, 6, right? So means that for this is all the possibility where the first dice is 1 and the next dice will be different score, right? So and maybe this is for 1 for first die, second dice maybe is 2 with 1 second dice. So I label this to be the x1 and x2, right? X1 and x2. So 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, right? As you know that each dice you have how many score? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? They have six possible outcome, make up of sample space of 6, right? 6 sample point. So but now you have two dice, right? You have two dice, so you're going to list out everything here. All right, you list out and you compare with mine. All right, I have complete list out everything here, right? 6 1, maybe the first dice is 6, the second dice is 1, right? This is all the total sample point, right? So all right, this is all the total possibility, or all of this we say to be a sample space, right? Sample space, and all of this is all the outcome, right? All you have list out all the possible outcome. This everything is called sample space, right? So then, okay, now we have all the sample space. It's easy for us to have all the sample space here. So in order to answer this question, right? Okay, look at the first question A here. The sum of the two number is 8, right? So you just observe from here. So now I just want to know what is the total number of total outcome, right? Or the sample space, right? Total possibility. So which is make up of 36, right? 6 times 6, you have 36 sample point. Alright, you have 36. So, and they're asking you to find the events, the probability that the sum of the number is 8. You just let A, okay, just define some variable for this question A. The A, you just write down the events of the sum of the two number is 8, right? The sum of the two number is 8. Right, look at this question here. So where is the number which is sum is 8, right? So I'm not going to list for you, all right? You just see from here. So the sum of the two number is 8. What is mean by the sum of two number? Now the two score, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2. This is 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So means which number when you add up the two, the score, you're getting 8, right? Definitely is 6, 2. 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, right? 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 8, right? Is there any combination here that you're getting 8? Any others compared to others? No, right? You see, only this 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. This is the events. This is the events, means that the events is the one that required by the question, right? The sum of the two number is 8, right? They want this event to happen. So means that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you list out the A, is a set of this 5 possibility, right? This 5 outcome out of all the outcome here. So then you know that probability will be divided by 36. How many of it? You have 6, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5 out of 36. Very simple, right? You know it's 5 out of 36. Alright, let's look at Part B. This is another event. It's another event. This is all the outcome. All outcome. Okay. All the outcome make up a sample space, right? But this is the events. They want the events where the sum of the two numbers are prime numbers. The sum of the two numbers are prime number. So let's look from here. So where the sum of the, what is prime number? Of course, you have to understand what is prime number, right? Prime number is a number which is can be divided by itself and 1, right? Means they has at most, no, they must have two factor. One is not a prime number because 1 only have one factor, right? It divide by itself and 1, but 1 is have one factor only, but 2 have two factor. 2 can divide by 2 and divide by 1, right? So it's a prime number. So 3 also a prime number. 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because 9 have 3 factor. Tak boleh, mesti ada 2. Bagi sendiri atau 1. So 9 can divide by 1, can divide by 3, can divide by 9. No, 3 factor. So 9 is not. So means that, but at most, here you have the biggest score here. You add up. 6 plus 6 is what? 6 plus 6 is 12, right? So the biggest prime number for this case here, if you add up, the smallest is 2. 1 plus 1, 2, right? There is no 1, okay? The total. So 5, 7, and 11, right? Because 9 cannot accept 10, 11, right? So means that you have to find this 5, where when you add up the two number, for example, this one, 6 plus 1, 7, right? 7 is a prime number. So means that 6, 1 is accepted to be as one of the outcome of the events, right? So, okay, which one you add up, you're getting a prime number. So you have to list out, okay, 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 1 plus 3 is 4. No, this one no. I cancel out, right? So 1 plus 4, 5. 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, accepted, right? Accepted. So okay, I don't cancel this. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. No. Okay, this one. Yes. 7 ma. You add up, you get 7 ma. Right? 6, 1, you get 7 ma. Okay. So this one 8 cannot. Or cannot. Why? You add up, you get 8 ma. 8 is not prime number ma. 9 also is not a prime number. So cancel out. Okay, no. Not. So 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10. No. 6 plus 5, 11. Yes. 6 plus 5 or 5 plus 6, 11. So, okay, this is not 12. So, then you calculate lah. Okay, calculate how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Count carefully. You have 15 of them, right? So which give you the probability, alright? But you have to define some variable, right? Usually I will tell students, you just write PB because this is for question B, right? So B is the events where the sum of the two numbers are prime number, right? Prime number. So from here you can see that this is all the outcome, right? Which make up of the events of B, which is 15 of them divided by 36. Can be simplified. So we simplify, divide by 3, 5. Divide by 3, you get 12, right? So this is the answer for this question. Very simple. You need this, alright, to help you to answer this question. Alright, that's all for this question. Hope you understand.